And Frank, that is the best way.
Yeah, this is effective.
It is faster because the chairman is writing what he listens, what he understands from the whole audience.
In offline workshop, yes, we need a scribe to better execution. But for online, I think better. I'm happy with my own typing.
So from what you have said now, okay, okay. From what you have said, Chairman, you have implicated yourself because PHSER 5, that means you are not supposed to do this. It says you have to be on site before you do this workshop. So you have implicated yourself now.
Babalo, thank you. Check the exclusion zone. Yes, we are going to follow the exclusion zone, and we are going to follow HSE and CMOP standard. Okay, guys, so give me another 10 minutes. We'll complete. Confirm the operation team has made adequate preparation to start. Review handover of HSE responsibilities. Project dossier will be part of the handover. Site personnel will be fully aware. But here we will ensure that construction HSE plan is there. Pre-commissioning.
Chairman, pre-commissioning and commissioning /SAT. Yeah.
So we are happy. So I need a commissioning and pre-commissioning procedure.
Mr. Chairman, already commissioning, pre-commissioning procedure, SAT report, consider SAT report is already dropped in the chat box. You can just